This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, April 18th. Stock index futures advancing with the S&P hitting an 11-week high due to better than expected corporate earnings. We had housing starts in March coming in a little more than expected, but the more important permits coming in less than expected. Of course, you have to have a permit before you build a house, so the permits are actually more of a leading indicator. Overall, stock index futures are performing very well for the news in the last couple of months. Also, the technicals remain supportive. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index declining despite recent hawkish comments from Fed officials. Also, it appears that the dollar index will probably work lower over the near term and the euro currency likely to advance. I think this is mainly because the Fed probably only has one more rate increase in store for us, while the European Central Bank has 2 or 3 rate hikes. So interest rate differential expectations are supporting the euro at the expense of the US dollar. So once again, look for a lower dollar and a higher euro currency. And in the interest rate futures markets, seeing higher prices this morning, especially at the long end of the curve. Still looks like the Fed will be raising at the May 3rd meeting by 25 basis points, but that will probably be the last one. Also, we have heard for many years, and you've probably heard this old axiom forever, that we should not be fading the Fed. However, you can fade the Fed when the Fed is fighting a severely inverted yield curve that argues for easier credit conditions next year. So in my opinion, the fundamentals are supportive, the technicals are supportive. Any breaks should be used as buying opportunities across the board in the interest rate futures markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and they're not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.